Alright, so we're going to try today Bakor Fig. This is a North African variety, honey fig. It's supposed to be really good, and one of the unique qualities about this is like how rough the leaves are. And if you notice, the leaves actually, just like Violent de Bordeaux, VDB, they change. You look here, you have one leaf like this, and then right next to it you have a different leaf like this. And then you have another leaf like this. So the variety of leaf forms seem to be changing on this. And this one actually was a little bit lean on production this year, but we do have a few. And let's see, where did it go? I saw one earlier. There it is. There we go. Fairly soft. So let's get this off. There we go. Nice coloration on it. And a little semi-open eye. So let's bite into it and let's see how this turns out. Obviously, hard to judge, especially since it's still so young, but we'll give it a shot. Is that poo? Let's see. No, that's not poo. That's just discoloration on it. I was going to say if it's poo, it's going in the garbage, but it's not. Alright, so let's give it a shot. Oh, wow. Yeah, this one's staying. Alright, we're definitely keeping this. This is really good. Really strong honey. In a lot of ways, it doesn't compete as good as like a good sun-dried yellow long neck, but very good indeed overall. Still, yeah, definitely keeping this. Alright, that's it.